In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on X step by step using the fastest and most reliable checks. This is a simple method, but it can save you a lot of confusion because sometimes a profile looks missing, posts stop appearing, or a conversation disappears, and it's not always obvious what's going on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tell the difference between being blocked and just not finding someone's account normally. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and go to the person's profile. The easiest way to check is by searching their name or username directly in the app or on the website. Once you open the profile, look carefully at what appears on the screen. If you see a message that says, "You're blocked, you can't follow or see this user's post," that is the clearest sign that they have blocked you. At that point, X is telling you directly that the account has restricted your access. If instead you can view their profile normally and you can see their posts, replies, and account details without any warning message, then you are not blocked. That means the account is still visible to you and your access has not been restricted in that way. Now, if you can't find their profile at all, don't panic just yet, because there are a few things to check. First, search for their username while you are logged in. Sometimes a profile won't show up easily in search because of spelling, account changes, or search results filtering, so make sure you type the username exactly. If that still doesn't work, try opening their profile from a direct link. For example, go to x.com/username, replacing username with their actual handle. This is a very useful test because if the account exists but you are blocked, you may still get a block message when trying to open it directly. If the account loads and shows the blocked notice, that confirms it. But if the profile opens normally, then the issue is probably something else, like the account being deleted, suspended, renamed, or set to private in a way that affects search visibility. There are also a few possible signs that can point to being blocked, but they are not proof by themselves. For example, if their posts suddenly disappear from your timeline, that could mean you were blocked, but it could also mean their account became less active or X changed what it shows you. Another sign is if you can no longer follow them. If the follow button fails or won't let you connect, that can be a clue, but again, it should be checked alongside the profile message. And if previous conversations become inaccessible, that may also suggest a block, especially if the chat thread no longer behaves normally. The key thing to remember is that one sign alone is not always enough. The strongest proof is the direct message that says you're blocked. So, to summarize, open the profile, check for the blocked message, try searching the username, and use the direct link if needed. If the account is visible normally, you are not blocked. If the account exists and X tells you that you're blocked, then you've got your answer. I hope this quick guide helped clear things up. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.